Storaging instructions. Grill table. Remove the seasoning box in the directions shown. Loosen the side table fasteners. Detach the side table. Firstly, lift one end of the side table. Then press the other end down. Finally, pull it out. Remove the storage tray. Push the towel rack in so that it is parallel to the beam of the left frame. Turn the table over. Put the storage tray in the back of the countertop assembly. Align its hardy holes with the step screws at the back of the countertop assembly and secure it in the direction shown. Put the side table in the storage tray near the left frame. The hooks of the side table are placed towards the back side of the countertop and hook the tray. Unfasten the buckle latch on the left frame, left back leg by pressing the small bump on the side of the latch. Put the universal wheels flat. Fold the left frame down. 2. Insert the rivets into the holes of the side table. Replace the cylinder racks on the beam of the right frame. Unfasten the buckle latch on the right frame, right front leg. Fold the right frame down. Pull down the storage lock to secure the frame. Align the hardy holes of the seasoning box with the step screws and secure it. Carry it by holding the handle or putting in the storage bag.